Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guaranty RV. I am here today to go over a wonderful 2018 Sundance Heartland. It's the 241BH. We're going to start off on the interior and we'll finish off on the exterior. Follow me inside. Welcome inside to one of our best-selling bunkhouse trailers. So it's a corner bunk, corner bath. You've got good storage under this bunk. On the outside, we do have an outside kitchen, and we'll go over that when we get out there. Nice shower, great storage actually. Look at all that. Large cabinets there, sink, medicine cabinet. It's got it all. Got some additional storage out here for your folks staying in the bunks. We've got a nice U-shaped dinette, so that's great for getting a large group of people together. You can seat a lot of people very, very comfortably. Across from there, we've got our kitchen, 3-burner stove, glass cooktop. We've got an oven, and a large stainless steel sink. That's fantastic. You can get the larger dishes, pots and pans in there. Does have a pull-out faucet too. Helps. So good storage in the kitchen. One silverware drawer. 2 more drawers here. This one's pretty nice and deep. Up front we have a TV. The TV does swivel, so you can watch it in the living area or the bedroom area. Back in the bedroom, we've got access from both sides. We've got a full walk around Queen RV bed here. Storage on both sides, and up above, reading lights, and you've got a USB, 2 USB plug-ins right there if you want to charge your phone, plug anything in that runs off USB. In order to have that TV swivel, you do have to have the doors closed, and you can swivel and watch it on one side or the other. So when we come outside, I'd love it if you just turn around and look at this enormous electric awning you've got. It covers almost the entire length of this trailer, and it's a pretty good sized trailer. That's 20 plus feet of awning right there. We do have the outside kitchen, which is a great hangout area. Outside here, we've got the little 2-burner stove, sink, and an outside fridge. Great for storing your drinks and snacks. As we move around to the back, we can see we have a full-size bumper with a spare tire here. Stabilizers on all 4 corners. They are manual stabilizers. There's our dump station, gray and black right there. Your tank flush, your city fill. If you want to use, it comes with actually a high pressure sprayer here, great for cleaning off muddy feet, stuff like that. Your power cord plugs in here. It does come with the power cord. It's just a removable. And this is your cable and satellite hookups. Around the front of the slide here, we come to our front stabilizer and the back side of this pass-through here. Large opening so you can get coolers, large chairs, bigger items into this bay door opening. Trailer weighs 75-60 fully loaded, so it's a light trailer, really towable by a half-ton trailer or truck, excuse me. Again, it's a 2018 Heartland Sundance. If you have any questions on this travel trailer or any of our other RVs we have in stock, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me at 541-228-6057. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.